Number 1. There's no such thing as a sugar rush. In fact, the opposite is true. The sugar high theory started in 1978 when one study found that kids with a hyperactivity disorder called hyperkinesis had low blood sugar, which can be a sign of eating too much sugar, oddly enough. This study was discredited later when it was found that abnormally low blood sugar was actually normal. Since then, studies have shown through gold standard double-blind studies that sugar does not make our kids or anyone more hyper than a placebo. In fact, sugary treats are more likely to lower the mood and make you feel more sluggish. Number 2, blood is blue in your body. Because veins are greenish blue, the theory that the blood is blue seems possible, even probable. However, human blood is always red, darker when it needs oxygen and lighter when high in oxygen, but always red. The tissues that cover veins affect light absorption to make the blood circulating in your body appear blue. Number 3, it takes 7 years to digest chewing gum. The truth is, your body never digests chewing gum. However, that doesn't mean it stays inside of you. It just gets passed through the digestive system without being broken down and ends up in the bathroom like everything else you eat. Number 4, toilet flushes spin in different directions depending on the hemisphere. This myth rests upon the Coriolis effect, in which flow patterns are affected by the Earth's rotation. While this is the cause behind hurricanes or the Gulf Stream, toilet flushes and even tornadoes are too small to be affected in this way. So both directions are found in both hemispheres, with the direction of the spin being caused by the plumbing, water pressure, and design of the toilet. Number 5. The largest living organism is the blue whale or the redwood forest. While the blue whale is the largest animal and the redwood forest has the largest trees, the largest living organism on the planet is the humongous honey fungus in the Oregon Blue Mountains. It spans 2.4 miles with thousands of mushrooms sprouting, and it is spreading. Number 6. Humans have 5 senses. The 5 empirical senses of sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell are well known, but fail to take into account the other at least 4 senses of the human body, including proprioception, or sensing one's orientation in space, equilibrioception, the sense of balance, thermoception, a sense of temperature, and interoception, a sense of one's physiological condition, which are all pretty important to well-being. Number 7, bats are blind. While bats lack color receptors and do see in black and white, their nighttime vision is actually better than ours. This myth may have arisen since bats don't see as well as humans in daylight, or because of the fact that they have and use sonar and can navigate without sight, but they actually see just fine in their environment. Number 8, elephants are afraid of mice. This myth can be traced back to children's stories and shows poking fun at a big creature being excessively afraid of the little creature. However, the truth is, elephants have no specific fear of mice. While elephants do have terrible eyesight and are fairly slow moving, they are still big, strong, and even brave, but can always be startled when a small creature like a mouse or bird darts past them. Number 9. A baby bird will be rejected by its mother if it's been touched by a human. While it's not wise to touch a baby bird because an angry mother may peck at you or fly towards your face, they are much more loyal to their babies than this myth would lead you to believe. Most birds have a terrible sense of smell anyway and would not even be able to tell that their baby had been handled by a human. And number 10. Birds die from eating wedding rice. The theory is that dry rice on the ground thrown at wedded couples is picked up and eaten by birds. The birds then drink water, which makes the rice expand in the bird's stomach until they explode or rupture inside. The problem is the temperature never gets high enough to cook and swell the rice, which means no exploding bird stomachs. Thanks for watching. I'm Black Veil. Please like and subscribe. Hope to catch you in the next one.